Hi, Radha again. As you all know, I've told this multiple times, I was an accidental entrepreneur. When I started Spectra, I took 2 years to understand what I got myself into. So when COVID came in, we just went ahead with multiple projects as such, and within a span of 2 years, we had more than 100 clients in our business. So, but when I started understanding financially, we are working almost 16, 18 hours a day. But then if you ask me if it matched the profit or did we have enough cash flow, we did not. So then I started understanding what is going wrong. The team is really working hard and we're also getting paid on time. But what is really going wrong? What was going wrong was my cost and revenue did not have the actual math. So my cost was somewhere else and my revenue was somewhere else. And the time it took us to get paid was having a different number. So it was always more, it felt like a rat race, though we were continuously busy having a lot of projects. So at Osterview, we wanted to address this because we are also on a mission to make sure that every project is profitable. We are launching today app.labam.pro. Labam in Tamil means profit. So if you're a freelancer or a service business, so this should be your go-to tool to find what should be your amount that you should quote for this particular project. All you need to know is a number of hours on how long it will take to execute the requirement shared by the customer. And if you know your billable rates and cost per hour for your employee, you can just directly go ahead and start playing around with the numbers. And if I say 100 hours, what would be the numbers that I should quote if I have a 40% profit margin or a 20% profit margin? If I add a billability ratio of 100% instead of 70%, and if I add a junior developer as a backup instead of a senior developer, what would be my cost? You can play around with this tool and understand what would be your actual cost for this particular project and how much you should quote if you have to achieve the desirable number of profit percentage. So app.labam.pro, give it a try and do let us know your feedback. Thank you.